Now next exercise 4.4, when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. When 3 sides and 2 included angles are given, that is the given condition. The first question in question 1, sub question 1, quadrilateral DE. DE equal to 4 cm, EA equal to 5 cm, AR equal to 4.5 cm, then angle E equal to 60 degree, angle A equal to 90 degree. So let's draw a rough diagram. It is a quadrilateral DE. So let's draw a general quadrilateral. Let's name DEAR, DEAR. Then let's write the given measures. DE equal to 4 cm, EA equal to 5 cm, then AR equal to 4.5 cm, angle E equal to 60 degree, angle E equal to 60 degree, then angle A equal to 90 degree, angle A equal to 90 degree. So this is a rough diagram. So 90 degree means, see, when the rough diagram is not showing exactly 90, but when we construct we have to do properly. So now what is the condition? When 3 sides, 1 2 3 sides and 2 included angles. So the angles are included within the given sides. There are 3 sides given and the given angles, no, that is 2 included. The word is very important. 2 included angles. See, 60 degree, this angle is included within these sides, 4 cm and 5 cm. Even this 90 degree is included, that sides 5 cm and 4.5 cm. So the given condition is satisfied. So let's draw a diagram. The base is DE 4 cm, 0, 4, then DE is 4 cm. And now which vertex can be constructed first? Whether can you construct the vertex or not possible, because from D there is no connection and from A only, but at present we are not having the vertex A. So we have only D, point D and E. So the vertex R cannot be constructed at present. So now which vertex we can construct? A. So to construct the vertex A, from E, at E you have to construct angle 60 degree. At E you can construct angle 60 degree. Then EA length, the EA length 5 cm arc can be done. So let's construct angle 60 degree. Suppose if you are using protractor to construct 60 degree, keep the center of the protractor on E and adjust the baseline. You are adjusting left hand side and you move from left hand side 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. It will come here. You will join this. Is it or not? Now we are going to construct angle 60 degree using compass. Take convenient radius in your compass. Then on E, because angle 60 on E only, keep the pointer of the compass on E and make an arc. The arc has to intersect the line segment DE at a point. So now you are getting intersecting point, no? From that intersecting point, make another arc. The arc has to intersect the previous arc at a point. Now this is 60 degree. See, now let's join. Now you can very well understand the previous point which we made, no? And that point, this point, both are coming on the same line. So let's join E 60 degree. This is 60 degree. It's not meeting correctly. The point is not joining. So let's draw one more time. 60 degree. The point. This point only, no? So let's Now it's meeting correctly. Now angle E equal to 60 degree. Then to get the vertex A, 5 centimeter. EA equal to 5 centimeter. So let's measure 5 centimeter. EA is 5 centimeter. So first we constructed an angle 60 degree. We drew a line. Then EA 5 centimeter, one arc, and this meeting point is called A. This meeting point is called A. So now we received the vertex A. Now we need to get the vertex R. The next vertex R. To get the vertex R, from D there is no connectivity. So from A only, from A 90 degree. See, to get the vertex R at A 90 degree, then AR 4.5 centimeter length also available. So let's construct 90 degree. First I am showing how to construct 90 degree using protractor. Keep the center of the protractor on A. Then adjust the baseline. Which side will you adjust? The top or bottom? Here only, because angle is going to be happened here, not this side. So let's adjust the baseline this side. So now you have to start from here only, from the 0. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 70, 90, 80, 90. Since it is 90 degree, you can, even if you start from this side also, you will get correctly only, because 90 degree no problem. So now using protractor here. Now how to construct using compass, we know very well, is it or not? Let's take convenient radius in the compass, then keep the pointer of the compass on on A, then make a long arc like this. Then this intersecting point, from this intersecting point one arc, and from this intersecting point another arc. This is 60 degree and this point 120. Between 60 and 120 only we construct 90 degree. Is it or not? See children, we are getting correctly 90 degree. That correctly point is coming there only. So let's join. This is 90 degree. So angle A 90 degree constructed. Then AR 4.5 centimeter. To get the vertex R, just drawing line is not sufficient. Only an angle is constructed. Then AR, length AR is 4.5 centimeter. So let's measure 4.5 centimeter. And from A 4.5. So this is the point, this intersecting point only R, the vertex R. So let's join R and D. Okay, now we received the quadrilateral D. So angle E equal to 60 degree, EA equal to 5 centimeter, then angle A equal to 90 degree, then RA equal to 4.5 centimeter. So now we received the required quadrilateral D.